Hello, good morning dear students. So today we are starting with exercise 10b. Question number 1. We are doing arithmetic progression. I hope you people have learned the formula of nth term. The nth term is given by a plus n minus 1 into d. This is a very important formula. Nth term or the last term, where a is the first term, n is the number of terms, and d is the common difference. Okay? Question number 1, exercise 10b says that in an AP, this is given to us. In an AP, the 10th term, 10 times its 10th term is equal to 30 times its 30th term. So this thing is given to us, this condition is given to us. 10 times its 10th term is 30 times its 30th term. Find the 40th term. We need to find T 40. So I hope you're clear with the question now. So let's start. So this implies 10. Then you can use a curly bracket. T10, use the formula T10. Tn is this. So T10 will be a plus 10 minus 1 into d, which is equal to 30 into a plus 30 minus 1 into d. Alright? So therefore, this will give you 10 into, within the bracket, a plus 9d. 30 into, within the bracket, a plus 29d. So I want you to simplify it quickly. Pause the video, note it down. Alright, so after simplification, I'm showing you out here. Till here it was a into 10 into a plus 9d, which is equal to 30 into a plus 29d. Now what we need to do is we need to simplify. Open the bracket. 10a plus 90d, which is equal to 30a plus 87d, 870d. Now separate AA and DD in one of the sides. Okay, so 90d minus 870d, which is equal to 30a minus 10a. I'm not showing the steps out here because the video will be very lengthy, so I'm pausing the video. Okay, pause the video and simplify it yourself. Now from here you can find the value for a, because your 0 0 gets cancelled out and a is equals to minus 39d. Okay, so this is the value for a. But what are we asked to find? T40, no, isn't it? So therefore T40, use the formula a plus 40 minus 1 into d. So which will give you a plus 39d, right? So what is the value for a? Minus 39. So put the value. So minus 39d plus 39d, which will give you 0. So hence the value for T40 is how much? 0. The 40th term is 0. Okay, so pause the video, note it down. Okay, let us continue with question number 2. Please read the question. How many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3? How many 2-digit number is divisible by 3? So how many means we need to find the number of terms. The question is asking you how many means find the number of terms. How many 2-digit number is divisible by 3? Okay, so the first 2-digit number which is divisible by 3 is 12. Isn't it? After that 15, after that 18, it goes up to, and which is the last 2-digit number divisible by 3? This is 99. This is 99. So hence this is the sequence. This is in AP, right? Which is, I have to write down which is an AP, okay, with the first term as 12 and common difference as how much? 3, isn't it? Now we need to find how many 2-digit number is divisible by 3. So here, this is an AP, which is the last term. The last term is 99. Okay. Also we know the last term is also equal to the nth term, isn't it? So therefore I can also write last term 99. And what is the value for Tn? The same formula, a plus n minus 1 into d. That is, put the values. 99. What is the value for a? 12 plus n minus 1 into 3. Bring a 12 this side. So this becomes 87, right? 87, which is equals to n minus 1 into 3. Divide with 3. So this that I'm showing, which implies that n minus 1 is equals to 87 divided by 3. So this will give you n minus 1. 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 27. So 29. So therefore n is equals to 30. So total how many terms? Therefore 30 terms are divisible by 3. 2 digit, 30 terms are divisible by 3. So pause the video and note it down. Okay, let's move on to question number 3. Question number 3 says that, read the question, which term of this AP? So this is the given AP. AP starts with 5, 15, 25. So what is the first term? 5. What is the common difference? 10. Okay, so these things are clear to us. So your A is 5 and common difference is 10. Okay, very easy. So which term means the value for n, which term of this AP will be 130 more than 31st term? Which term will be 130 more than 31st term? So let us directly assume, let it be the nth term. So I write down the assumption, let the nth term Tn be 130 more than its 31st term. So therefore this implies Tn will be 130 more than its 31st term. Clear and simple? Use the formula of Tn and T31. A plus n minus 1 into D, which is equals to 130 plus A plus 31 minus 1 into D. Now we know what to do. See, on both the sides A and A gets cancel out. A and A gets cancel out on both the sides. So therefore I get n minus 1 into D is equals to 130 plus 30 D. Isn't it or not? So therefore, let us simplify, isn't it? So n minus 1 into, what is the value for D? D is 10, which is equals to 130 plus 30 into 10. Now I want you guys to simplify and quickly get the value for n. Pause the video, note it down. Okay, so therefore till here we have done the simplified. This is 130 plus 300, 43, isn't it or not? 300, 30 plus 13, okay, that is 43, 0, 0, cancel out. So n minus 1 equals to 43, so n equals to 44. So which means the 44th term is 130 more than its 31st term. Clear and simple? So we just have to know first term, common difference, and then read the question properly. Whichever term you ask to find, if you don't know, just assume it as the nth term. Please pause the video and note it down. Alright, let us continue with question number 4. Given to us, okay, find the value for P. We need to find the value for P. Find P, okay, find P if these three are in AP. First term, second term, third term, they are in AP. So they are in AP means what? 3 terms are in AP if the common difference is same. So therefore this minus this should be equal to this minus this. So let us do it here. So therefore this will give you 2x plus P minus x should be equals to 3x plus 16 minus 2x plus P. Let us simplify it quickly. So 2x minus x is x plus P. 3x minus x is x, and this is 16 minus P. Isn't it? So x and x gets. So 2x minus x is x, 16 minus P, 16 minus P. By the way, x and x gets cancelled out. So bring this side. This is 2P, which is equals to 16. So therefore, P is equals to 8. So pause the video and note it down. Alright, this was question number 4, but the mistake which I have done out here was, it was not 16, it was 6. It was only 6. So next question, please take x, 2x plus P and 3x plus 6, and in the same way find the value for P. Okay, so one mistake I have done out here, it was not 16, it was only 6. Or there you'll get different answer. Pause the video and note it down. Okay, let's proceed with question number 5. It is given that the third term and the ninth term are 4 and minus 8 respectively. Which term will be 0? So as we don't know, let us assume let nth term be 0. Let us assume that the nth term is 0. Now two things given to us, T3 equals to 4, T9 equals to minus 8. We'll be getting two equations. Okay, now T3 equals to 4, this will give you A plus 3 minus 1 into D equals to 4. And another equation will be A plus, because T9, no? So 9 minus 1 is equals to minus 8. Please simplify and get two equations as A plus 2D is equals to 4. Let us keep equation number 1. And A plus 8D, here this D, is equals to minus 8, equation number 2. We just have to simplify equation number 1 and equation number 2 simultaneous. Please read fast and give me the value for A and D. Alright, so after solving equation number 1 and equation number 2, you'll be getting A equals to 8 and D equals to minus 2. I hope this is clear. The question is asking you which term will be 0. According to assumption, we have assumed the nth term as 0. Okay, so therefore, as Tn is equals to 0, use the formula A plus n minus 1 into D is equals to 0. So A is 8, 8 plus n minus 1 into minus 2, which is equals to 0. 8 goes to the right hand side, it becomes minus 8. So n minus 1 into minus 2 is equals to minus 8. Minus minus gets cancelled out. So therefore, from here you will be getting n minus 1, minus minus cancel out, 2 1s are 2 4s are, which is equals to 4, so n is equals to 5. So hence which term? Therefore T5 is equals to 0, so the answer is the fifth term. So the fifth term of the AP will be 0. Pause the video and note it down. Alright, let us proceed. The question says two APs given to us. The first AP 63, 65, 67 dot dot dot. Second AP is 3, 10, 17 dot 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 dot. Two different APs, huh? Two different APs given to us. Okay, the question says find the value for n. For what value for n? Small n. Huh? For what value for small n? Both of this AP's nth terms are equal. Okay, so here the first term is what? First term 63, common difference. Common difference is 2, right? Isn't it or not? And here I am giving capital E as the first term and capital D as the common difference, which is 7. Clear? Can I find the nth term? Tn, use the formula A plus n minus 1 into D. Can I find the nth term? A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, because two different APs given to us. So Tn will be 63 plus n minus 1 into 2, isn't it? And Tn out here will be 3 plus n minus 1 into 7. Now according to question, the nth term of first AP and the nth term of second AP, they are what? Equal, isn't it? So according to the question, please write down small tn is equals to capital Tn. Put the values. 63 plus this is n minus 1 into 2, and here this is 3 plus n minus 1 into 7. Sorry, here n is small n only, okay? You don't have to write capital N, the n out here is small n, my mistake. N, here also n, here also n, sorry, here also it is n, here also it is n. Please change this, okay? And now what we need to do, we just have to simplify, isn't it? So let us multiply. This is 63 plus 2n minus 2, which is 3 plus 7n minus 7. Now you know what to do, isn't it? 63 minus 2 is 61 plus 2n, which is equals to 7n minus 4. Number together, n together, so 64. Okay, this side I'm saying. Continuation, this side, okay, 64, 61 plus 4, 65. So 65, which is equals to 7n minus 2n, which will be 4n. Is it? Sorry, 5n. 5n. 7n minus 2n will be 5n. So hence, what is the value for n? 65 by 5. Isn't it or not? So 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. So hence, when n is equals to 13, When n equals to 13, this sequence must contain 13 terms. This sequence must also contain 13 terms. Then on that case, the nth terms will be equal. So n equals 13 is the answer. Pause the video and note it down. Alright, let's move ahead with question number 8. It's given that, find AP. Find the AP. AP means first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. We need to find. Okay. Find the AP whose third term is 16 and the seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. Seventh term is 12 more than the fifth term, which means, okay. So quickly let us make two equations. T3 equals to 16. Now I hope you have understood T3 means A plus 3 minus 1 into D, which means A plus 2D. A plus 2D is equals to 16, equation number 1. Okay. T7, A plus 6D is equals to 12 plus A plus T5, 4D. Isn't it not? Okay. Keep this equation number 1 as it is. Out here you can see A and A gets cancelled out. I hope you are clear with T7. T7 is A plus 7 minus 1. So T7 means A plus 6D. 12. T5 means A plus 4D. A gets cancelled out. Cancel this A and A. So therefore, bring this side, 6D minus 4D is equals to 12. So which means D is equals to 2D is equals to 12. So D is equals to 6. Isn't it? So put this value out here from equation 1. From equation 1, A plus 2 into 6 is equals to 16. So A plus 12 is equals to 16. So A equals to 4. So I got the value. The first term is 4. The common difference is 6. So can I get the whole AP? Obviously. Therefore, the required AP, the required arithmetic progression is given by the first term is 4. Common add 6. 10. Add 6. 16. See, the third term was already 16. Add 6. 22. And then so on. Pause the video and note it down. Alright, we'll keep this much for today. Your assignments for today will be question number 6 and question number 9. So tomorrow we'll start with question number 10 and we'll complete this exercise as well. So that's it for today. Practice it hard and practice it properly. I'll see you in the next class. Thank you.